Hello, everyone. This is Mahmoud Abu Zaid from UCSD's Operational Strategic Initiatives. And on today's episode of Everyday AI, we're going to be using Trident GPT to create an email announcement for an event. So first of all, we're going to navigate to the general AI assistant since we're not looking for any UCSD specific information. And I'm going to copy in a prompt that I generally use for this sort of stuff. Basically, I'm giving it the context of like which team I work for, what I want to do, create an email announcement for a workshop that we're hosting, and asking it to ask me 5 questions so that it knows what to include in the announcement. Title of the workshop, target audience, key dates, main topics or takeaways, how like registration process. All right, I already have all of this information, so let me copy that in. Workshop details, workshop objectives, who should attend, no prior experience required, RSVP. All right, I'd actually like to change this no prior experience thing. I want to put a prerequisite. Um, I'm gonna say that maybe people should have done the AI workshop and the Lean Six Sigma workshop before taking the one that combines the two. Let's make that modification. Prerequisites. Perfect. Looks good. Um, Thank you for watching. Hopefully you got a good idea on how to use this tool in your job. Bye.